Open your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Click Add Plugin. Then search for FlagShip. Find FlagShip WooCommerce Shipping and click Install Now. When it's ready, click Activate. You'll return to the Plugins page. Click Settings on the FlagShip WooCommerce plugin and begin by enabling the shipping method. Next, enter a method title. This is what customers will see at checkout. Then add your FlagShip API token. If you don't have a token yet, here's how to create one. Click the link to get an access token. This will take you to the FlagShip platform. From the top menu, select API Tokens. Enter a name for your application, then generate a new token. Make sure to copy and save the token before leaving this page because you won't be able to see it again. Now, return to WooCommerce and paste the token into the token field. Next, enter your shipper details. Your postal code, city, province, name, company, street address, and contact info. Then, choose how your products will be packed. One option is to use the FlagShip Packing API. This requires that each product saved in WooCommerce includes its weight and dimensions. You'll also need to add the box sizes you typically use. The system will automatically choose the smallest box that safely fits each order. Next, set up your tracking notifications. Add any email addresses that should always receive updates. You can also send tracking info to the customer's billing email. Now, create a shipping zone for Canada and add the FlagShip shipping method. In the shipping method settings, choose which services to offer, from standard, express, and overnight. You can also choose to show your customers all rates or a select number of the cheapest rates. You can also decide whether to apply taxes to shipping. Only enable this if taxes aren't already set up in WooCommerce. Otherwise, customers could be charged twice for shipping taxes. You can also add a markup, either a percentage or a fixed amount, to cover extra shipping costs. Finally, you can choose options such as requiring a signature on delivery or adding insurance. Select which couriers to offer, save your settings, and you're ready to go.